Hello everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can insert custom widget sections to your free blogger theme. So as you can see that I have used a free blogger theme here, and I want to add a ad section before the blog post, and I want to add a ad section after that blog post, or I want to add a hero section to the home page of my blogger theme. So how I can do that in my free blogger theme. And before that, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So first of all, you need to go to the theme section here, and you need to take a backup of your theme code. So all you have to do is click on this backup, and it will download a backup file of your theme code, and then click on the edit HTML. So if you do any mistake, then you can easily restore it using the backup. So here to add the widget section, all I have to do is click on this button, and here you will see an option block 1. So let me click on that. Now you will see the block 1 options, and before that you will see the B colon section. So just click on this arrow, and it will minimize all these code under that, and you need to hit enter before that, and you need to add another section here. Let me copy a code like this. So I will provide the code link in the description, so you can copy the code and paste it before this section. So as you can see that here we are adding another section here, B colon section, and we have added the ID new section, and we have added maximum widget 3. So you can change this value. So if suppose you want to add 5 widgets, then you can change this max widget value to 5, and then you can set the widget ID. So make sure to change this widget ID. So if your theme already has the HTML1 ID, then you can change that. So you can see all of your ID like this. You can see HTML51, HTML6, HTML4, and all these IDs. So you can add a unique ID. So you can add HTML 150, 160, whatever values you want, but make sure to keep it unique. And after that, you can set the title like homepage widgets or something like that. So let me hit save, and let's check if we have added that section before the blog page. So let me go back here, and let me click on the layout section here, and here as you can see that we have the new section, and we have the homepage widgets before the blog post section. So I can change this name, and I can add different widgets here, or I can add as many widgets. Suppose I want to add a search field, then I can do that. Let me hit save, and let me go to the front end, and let me refresh this page. And as you can see that I have added the search section here, and I can add a hero section. So let me copy the code for a hero section here. So this is a sample code. So let me paste it here, and I don't want this title, so I need to remove that, and let's hit save here. Now let me remove this search section. Now let me go to the front end, and let me refresh this page. And as you can see that I have added a hero section like this. So this will only show to the home page, and it will not show to the post page. So if you click on any of the blog post, then this section won't show up. So you can further customize the visibility of the widget. So let me click on edit HTML here. Now let's click on here, and we have added the HTML1 section here. So let me click on that, and here as you can see that we have a if condition, so it will only show to the home page. So if you want to show only on the post page, then you can use a different if condition, data block type equal to item. So let me copy this if condition here, and let me change that condition. Now this section will only show to the post page, or you can do this if condition to individual widgets as well, so that all the widgets won't be affected, and it will only affected to particular widgets. So I have added it to the whole section. So let me go to the post page, and let me refresh it. And as you can see that this hero section is only showing to the post page, but if I go to the home page, then this will not show up. So let me quickly change it to its default value. Now let's check how we can add a ad section after the blog post. So for this, what I can do is I will go to theme here, and let me click on edit HTML, and I will click on here. Let's click on block 1, And let me minimize this section, and I want to add a section after this main section. So for this, let me copy this code here and let me paste it here. Now I need to change this id new section to something unique like add section, and I need to change the widget id. So let me change it to something like 150, and I can change this title to Adsense Widget. Now we need to change this if condition to display only on post page, and I don't want to display on the home page. Then what I can do is I will copy a if condition like this and I will replace it here. So all these widgets under this section will only display to the post page, or you can individually set the condition here. So let me copy here, and you can individually add it under this B section as well. So you can put the condition directly here as well. So I need to add it here and let me hit save. Now let me go back here. Let's go to the layout and let me scroll down here, and here as you can see there is this add section. So you can add more widgets here. So suppose let me add a image block here and let me upload it from the computer. Now let me go to the front end and let me refresh it, and here we have the hero section, and as you can see there is no section showing up here. So if I open any of the blog post and scroll down here, you can see the ads section here, and after that we have the AdSense widget. So you can sort between this widget as well, and let's hit save and let me refresh it, and as you can see that the Adsense widget will show up first, and after that you can add the second widget. Here in this case I have added an image. So this is how you can add sections to your free blogger theme, and you can also show off a section before the blog post. So for this what I can do is I will add a section here. So let me go to the theme. Let's click on edit HTML, and here let me click on the blog 1 here, and let me add another section. So let me go to this page, let me copy this code and let me paste it here. Now first change the if condition. So let me copy the if condition for the blog post and let me change that. And I can change this something like before blog post. So you can remove the space in the ID, and let me change the widget to something like 151 here, and you can change it like before post. And let me hit save and let me go back to the layout. Here as you can see that before blog post section is added. So you can add this before post widget. So you can add your ad code, or you can add images, so that this will only show up in the post page. So let me drag it here and let me hit save and let me refresh it. And as you can see that I have added the hero section in the post page and it will not show in the home page. So this is how you can add different ad section or hero sections, and you can add as many widgets to your free blogger theme. So I recommend you to go through this blog post where I have explained different blogger conditional tags, so that the code will only show to home page, post page or static pages, or you want to display only on mobile and don't want to display on desktop. So all these blogger conditional tags are added here, and I have done a video as well, so you can watch that video and learn about blogger conditional tag. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.